Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, dear students? Hope you all are well. I am your computer teacher for class 9 from IYS school. Today our topic is impact of the computer and internet on society. So we are going to learn about the unit introduction to computer. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have shared the instruction. Don't raise hand during the teacher. Ask question or at the end of the teaching in chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone for the computer use. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of time for attending the class. Home task should be done in your care copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again with 5 to 10 minutes. Don't turn on your video during the teaching. Okay. Now we have started unit 1, introduction to computer. See the page number 17. Our topic is impact of the computer and the internet on society. The positive impact of the internet include the following. It provides effective communication using email and instant messaging services to any part of the world. It improves business infrastructure and transaction saving on the vital time. Banking and shopping online have made it less complicated. Computers are used in the very thing from the home PC or laptop to the appliances such as microwave oven, washing machine, entertainment, recording, and DVD stand for digital video disc. It is a changing every second with the speed of the technology on the internet. Every information look important the internet impact of the society. It is now making economic, social, and political changing around the globe. It's attributes because the evolution of the user communication culture using the internet in their daily life. Impact of the computer on education. The use of computer for the educational purpose has been highly beneficial for the student and the teacher as well. Computer has impact on following level in the education. Number one, at primary level. Number two, and second high level. Number one is primary language. At the primary level, it is the most used as an audio visual aid in the teaching of the various subjects. The use of the graphic sound, animation, and the ability of the such software to let the children freely instruct with the computer make learning fun. Number two, high level children. Children become more and more beneficent in using the computer. Impact of the computer on a workplaces business. In many large business, computers have begun taking the place of the human. In work, houses, and the factories, a computer could replace human completely. In these kinds of job, people done the same respective work over and over every day of their life. A computer would not need to take lunch, lunch break and the bathroom break, etc., which would result in the more houses work in every day. Store use computer to keep track of their files. Making store have also start using cash register that are computer and not just the old box types of register. All business keep recording on the computer and many of them depend entire on their computer system. Negative impact in their workplace. Uh, Number one is unemployment. People have feared that in the another 20 years, many might be completely unemployed due to the advancement of the computer. Number two, hacking. If you are booked and tried your name and the information an entire into the computer which is saved in the database. It would be easy for the talented hacker to change your information and get you off a flight while confusing airline attendants. Impact of the computer on the communication, finance, and manufacturing. Computers have not only helped to the forward programs of the finance, communication, and the manufacture, but their creation, programming, and the maintenance has become an entire new industry in the itself. The computer industry has become one of the most explosive industries in terms of the growth on the planet implies millions of the people to create a support for them and occupying the attention of the million more when they will be game player. The impact of the computer on work upside. It makes it making work process faster. It allows for improvement in the efficiency at all level. It maintains massive amount of the data. It reduce workforce cost through telecommunicative. It increase productivity through flexible scheduling. Computer create new jobs. The downside, de-scaling, automatic replace and the de-skills the workers, hacking, personal data in use for the purpose other than intended, less earning, work at home often lower salaries and the benefits, reduce the jobs, computer replace more jobs than they create, network and internet. Collection of various computer and other devices connected with each other that share the resources is called network. A computer network is any computer system that links two or more computers. Network is a computer system that uses communication equipment to connect two or more computers and their resources. Computer network is an integration of the computer system, terminal, and communication link. Computer network is a system composed of two or more computers or terminals. Internet. Internet is the largest network of the world that connects computers located on at different parts of the world. Internet is a global interconnected network on the thousands of networks linking academic, researching, government, and commercial institutions and other organizations. It is a global network that connects more than 10 or 1,000 of the networks, millions of large multi-user computers, and tens of the million of users in more than 100 countries. It is a public communication worldwide network. The Internet, sometimes called simply the net, is a loosely organized global collection of the thousands of networks. Impact of Internet of the society. The Internet has a huge impact on the society. The Internet, the Internet is available for the million of the people. The Internet provides scientists, engineering, researcher, educator, student, business, people, consumer, and otherwise a variety of services. Electronic mail, email. Internet user can send mail, messages, data files, and software programs to another Internet users and to users of commercial network. Actually, email is the process of sending messages directly from one computer to another. Number two, voicemail. Voicemail is the system in which a spoken message is stored in the voicemail box. The internet telephone. The internet phone capability lets you call people at other computer on the internet. Free services. Another bonus of the internet is that the majority of the information and the services available are the free. Sharing of information. The internet creates new ways for the citizen to communicate and sharing information. Online services. A whole new industries of the purchasing drugs on the line is another area where care and the produce are the imperative. Some companies offer to the wide range of the services. Mail listening, mailing list. The internet mailing list are the cross between the news group and the email. Mailing lists are the linked news group in the that. In that, they allow people to discuss issues of the common interest. World Wide Web, WWW. The fastest place on the internet is the World Wide Web, a collection of multimedia documents created by the organization and users all over the world. Homepage. When you navigate to a particular website, the first page you will normally view is the site. Homepage. The homepage is the starting point for the accessing information at a site or in a particular area. Browsing the web. It is a software used for the explorer the internet. Two well-designed browsers are the Netscape Navigation and the Microsoft Internet Explorer. For search engines. Search engine is an internet resource discover tool that lets people find information by keyword searching. Search engines vary in size, connect, and search methodology. Uses of internet. First is a hacking. With unlimited accessibility, hacker disrupt the flow of information on the internet. Hacker still valuable software, trade, secret, distributes copyright, photo, and song and run on the line security scheme. Number two, virus. A worm is the set of the illicit instruction package itself on the another program and document with the which it come in connect. Hacker also plant computer virus on the internet. Number three, worm. A worm is a program that transfers itself from computer to computer over a network and the plants itself as a separate files on the target computer disks. Unsuitable sites, unfriendly sites, and the frequently available which are socially unwanted for the people of all ages and they are capable of sacking of the goodwill records. Wasting of time. Nowadays, youngest waste their valuable time by the chatting, which must be spent on their studies. Misinformative. There are no greatness. The internet is full of the misinformation. Just become some things is one of the internet does not mean it is true. Programming languages and the language translator. Now we share the introduction to programming language and the language of the translator. First is a program. What is program? A program is a set of step-by-step instruction that direct the computer to the task you want to it to and produce the result you want. Program is a set of instructions used to solve a problem. What is programming language? A set of results that provide a way of telling computer what operation to perform is called a programming language. It is the main of the communication between the user and the computer. Definition of programming language: a set of rules that provide a way of telling computer what operation to perform is called programming language. There are types of programming language. There are three types of programming language. First one is machine language, assembly language, and high-level language. Machine language. We have already learned that a computer works on the binary number system, which use only two digits, 0 and 1. All the instruction of program provided to the computer in series of the binary code called machine language. Writing of the instruction of program in machine language is a very difficult and time-consuming job. Each machine is language's statement corresponded to the one machine action and operation that required on the machine. Machine language instruct in one computer may require several instructions. In another computer, each computer has its own unique machine language. Assembly language. Low level language. It is also called low level language. Low level language were developed to overcome to the difficulties in writing to the machine language program. Instead of the writing long binary codes and short code, usually three letters, which had the same meaning as the binary code, were used for the writing to the instruction. Low level language need to the translator program, which convert the low level instruction into binary or machine code to perform a task. Assembly language is the next level programming language. Each computer has its own unique assembly language. In assembly language, the statements are written in the symbolic code term as memory that are easier for human to read and write also compared to the machine language. Each assembly language statement corresponded to one machine language statement. The main reason for the writing assembly language program is the efficiency because assembly language is very close to machine language. An assembly language program produces a faster and shorter machine language program, but still writing a program in assembly language is quite difficult because of its difficult syntax. That is why it is called the low level language. Number three is high level language. We often use English words in the writing of programs in high level language. A single instruction in high level language generate many machines, languages, instructions, or codes. High level language are very easy to learn, understand, and write. High level language also need translator program, which convert the high level instruction into the binary or machine code for the performing a task. High level language, even though it is easier to write program in the assembly language than machine language, it's still difficult because it is required for detailed knowledge of a specific computer. That's why high-level languages such as Fortran, Pascal, C, etc. were developed unlike the assembly language. The programs of a high-level language do not have to be written for the particular computer, but it can be executed on any machine that has a compiler for that language. High-level language are the closer to human language that low-level language and include statements like go to and print, which are regular words. A compiler is computer program by the which source program written in any high-level language is converted into the machine object program. There is a machine language, assembly language, and high-level language. Language translator. Definition of language translator. Language translator programs are used to convert low-level or high-level computer languages program into the machine code. There are three types of language translator: assembler, compiler, interpreter. First one is assembler. Assembler is a program that converts the assembly language program into the machine language. The first computer used the vacuum tube for the circuitry, and assembly language is the next language program language. Each computer does understand only machine language. Assembly language facilitate programmer to write program easily, but still in need to convert the assembly language program into machine language. Under extendable form, assembler is used for fulfill the purpose. And say compiler. What is compiler? A computer convert the entire low-level or high-level program into machine language. It translates the whole program into machine code at a time and check its syntax. After completion of the whole process is display the result on screen. Compiler is similar to assembler in a way that it translates the high-level language program into machine language. Each high-level language has its own compiler. Last is the interpreter. Interpreter converts low-level or high-level programming instruction into machine code line by line. It takes every instruction on the program step by step, translate into the binary code, check its syntax, and display the result on a screen. Compiler interpreter is also used to translate high-level program into machine language. The major difference between compiler and interpreter is that the compiler translates whole program into machine language at once and makes separate object file. Object code program or the translate program. Whenever you want to execute that program, computer will use the object file without translating the program again and again, while interpreter does not make any object file and it translates the program every time you will execute it. Now we have share the language translator definition. Translator programs are used to convert low-level or high-level computer language program into machine language. Types of translator. There are three types of translator: assembler, compiler, interpreter. Assembler is a program that converts assembly language program into machine language. Compiler. A compiler converts the entire low-level or high-level program into the machine code. Interpreter. An interpreter converts the low-level or high-level program instruction into the machine code line by line. Okay, student, we have shared the home task. First question is define programming language and explain the types of programming language. Define language translator and explain its types. Define interpreter and write 5 points of the advantages and disadvantages of internet. It is your home task. Home task is define programming language and explain the types of programming language. define language translator, and explain its types. Define internet and write 5 points of the advantages and disadvantages of internet. Okay, now we have shared the programming language. Once again, we have shared the programming language. When we take the someone, we use the language. It provides communication between two persons. Similarly, when we take to the computer, we also use the language. This language is called computer language. Computer language provides communication or link between the computer and the person. Computer languages are artificial languages which have predefined rules or code. Computer perform different tasks through these language code. Nowadays, many computer languages have been developed. Each computer language has its own code for a syntax and style of writing instruction or program for the computer. However, these languages can be classified as follow. We have classified the following types: machine language, low-level language, high-level language. Machine language. We have already learned that computer works on the binary number system which use only two digits 0 and 1. All the instruction or program provided to the computer in series of binary code called machine language. Writing of instruction or program in which language is very difficult and time consuming job. Assembly, assembly and low-level language. Low-level language was developed to overcome two difficulties: writing the machine language program instead of the writing long binary codes. Short code which had the same meaning as the binary code were used for the writing the instruction. Low-level languages need the translator program which convert the low-level instruction into the binary or machine code to perform the task. High-level language. We often use English words in writing the program in high-level language. A single instruction to high-level language generate many machines.